Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a 3-strand braid. So first we're going to start by sectioning the hair. We're going to have 3 sections, which is why it's called a 3-strand braid. So you're going to separate it in 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3. And basically what we're going to be doing is taking each section and wrapping it over the center section. So hang on to the center section, wrap the right section over the left. Then we're gonna leave that there. Now you can see that is in the center of the 3 sections. So then we're gonna take the left side and wrap that into the center. Now I like to use my fingers and kind of hang on to everything and keep them all secure so that it's nice and organized and you can see 1, 2, 3, that you've got all 3 strands and which one is in the center. And what we're doing is we're taking then again the right strand, we're wrapping over and going into the center, and then taking the left side, going over the top and bringing that one into the center. And then you're going to continue all the way down the hair, keeping everything nice and organized, bringing the right into the center, and then the left into the center, and then the right into the center, and the left into the center, all the way down the strand of hair. And then you'll secure that with an elastic. And that is your 3-strand braid. I hope you thought that was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click on my next one and subscribe to my channel.